Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on my socials. Well, today I'm going to try something that is really scary and something I have never tried, which is Latina makeup. And a few of you guys asked me to do this makeup, so here I am doing it today. And I've seen a lot of TikTok videos on that trend as well, so I low-key want to see how Latina makeup would look on Asian features. I honestly feel like it's not gonna compliment me at all, but let's still try. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I cut my hair, guys. Can you guys see? I have so much volume now. My hair is so light. Like, I didn't even do anything. I mean, obviously it looks like I just got out of it, which is very true. I'm actually in love with my hair. Anyways, let's get into the makeup. I'm kind of really excited for this. I gotta look up a tutorial. So I found a tutorial on YouTube, so I'm just gonna copy this one. I am unsure if I have the required materials, but let's just work with what I have. First, start with the eyebrows, which I never do. Let's go ahead and define these eyebrows. Guys, it's my first time trying this kind of makeup, so please, patient with me. Okay, their brows are pretty thin and long. Am I doing this right? I don't know, guys. I was supposed to fill in the brows before this. Not going well from part number 1. I see that their brows are very dark, but I don't have like a black eyebrow pencil, so I'm gonna just use the eyeshadow and fill that in. How is that, guys? Not bad, huh? Not bad. I feel like Latinas draw their eyebrows very symmetrically. Okay, that's gonna be my eyebrows. I know they're not symmetrical, but like this is the most symmetrical I could do, so. And then what's next? What do I do from here? Okay, full base coverage. I'm gonna use a foundation that has full coverage. I only did one pump, but I feel like I might have to do multiple pumps. Okay, I got a first thin layer on my face, but I think I need more coverage, so I'm gonna do a little bit more. I feel like today is gonna be the fullest coverage I have ever done in my whole life. I gotta cover up that under eye because we're not drawing no ASR today, which is very unfortunate. I don't know how I'm gonna take that. Whew! Wait, low-key, I'm like vibing with the eyebrows. It's actually really clean. Bronzer, no blush. Koreans usually like to go for like a very natural shady, but for Latinas, I feel like it's slightly darker. I'm gonna use the darkest shade that I have, which is this one. Where do I contour? All over the forehead. I wish it was slightly more orangey, because this is very like brown, gray. And also, I haven't followed a tutorial in years. Okay, but I could actually like see, but I look beat up. Is this right? The color is not right. Let me go ahead and get something like slightly more orangey. I think I'm doing a terrible job right now, but we're just gonna move on. And hopefully I could fix this on the way. I gotta brighten my under eye, is what she said. Let me just like slightly little, because my face is kind of dark right now. Let me brighten it up a little. Just in those areas really quick. I have no idea how this challenge is gonna turn out. I wanna eat it up, but I feel like I'm not gonna eat it up, so I'm sad. Cause I'm gonna stay like this the whole day. Cause I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna trust the process, okay? Guys, it's hot. Why am I wearing a sweater? It's 80 degrees and I had no idea. Wait, something is wrong. I'm not supposed to shade here. Oh, wait, something looks better about it. Okay, no, we're gonna continue. Powder everywhere. I never bake my face. Am I doing that right? You know, I only watch Korean tutorials, so I just don't know. Can I just bake a little like this? I have no idea if I'm doing this right. Then watch the tutorial, girl. Why are you just doing it yourself? You're right. Let me watch the tutorial again. Oh my god, I'm gonna contour my nose. I see that they go really, really thin with their nose. I'm not sure if they cut the bridge in the middle, because some people do and some people don't. But I think they go thinner, huh? It looks kind of cute, but I've never done anything like this. I am quite nervous. Okay, let me go ahead and blend this now a little. Right now, let's get rid of this powder. Girl, there's a lot to fix. I know. But let's just keep moving on. And finally, it's time to do my eyes now. I'm so nervous. But it says big lashes and thick eyeliner. You know what? That's actually so crazy because all the lashes that I have are very natural, very like catered to Asian eyes. But I recently went to an event and got free lashes and they are super dramatic. I saw it, I was like, this is so pretty, but I have nowhere to wear this. But finally the day has come. Wait, this girl literally put eyeshadow and she does not even talk about eyeshadow. So I'm just going to put this instead so I could just kind of darken the area. I think I should have chose like another tutorial, but I'm already here, so I'm just gonna try to do what I feel like she did. And on the edges, she has slightly more of a darker eyeshadow going on. Oh wait, I'm not mad at this eye. This is a very experimental video for me, guys. The things that you guys challenge me with. Let's do this, let's do this. Oh my gosh. The lashes are so long. So instead of curling the lashes down following my natural eye shape, I kind of lifted it up and went for a straighter look because I feel like Latinas have longer eyes than me, and I don't want the lashes to like droop down too much. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this video or not because I don't know. But maybe I will do just for the sake of experimenting it. Because you guys did ask for it. Because it's my first time ever doing this. Oh my gosh, I can't see. The lashes are covering too much of my sight. What's next? I'm feeling this. Wait, now that I do the lashes, I think I need to like kind of retouch in the eyebrows and make it kind of longer and a little bit darker. Ah! Wait, why am I excited now? Yeah, considering how it started off, it's getting much, much better. But moving on to the eyeliner, they don't really do too much in the front. It kind of like gradually just goes thicker. Boom, very thinly. Yeah, the lashes are like so thick, you can't even tell, huh? Yeah, okay, let me just skip on that. Now let me go ahead and fill in all the blankness right there. Okay, that is filled in. I gotta fill in that part now. Oh my god, it's so empty. Filled it in, got the eyeliner, inner corner highlight, boom. Okay, got that. Shiny, blinding. Now lastly, their signature lip. I honestly don't know if I have a dark lip liner. Let's see if this is dark enough. Now I gotta be more brown. Maybe a pencil eyeliner. Oh yes, this is what we are going for. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, wait, I see the vision, I see it. And then the mountains on my lip is very spiky, but I feel like Latinas have very like round. So let me try to kind of kill that mountain. Even this part, I feel like theirs is more like round and full, but mine tends to curve in. So I'm gonna just ignore that and curve out. Oh, cute, cute. Okay, I got that. Kind of lopsided because my lips are just lopsided. Nude matte lipstick. I got this one right here from MAC. Boom. But I feel like because this is eyeliner, it's not really blending too well. The bottom is looking way better than the top, right? Okay, cool. And I think I am done. Okay, now I just need to go straighten my hair, so I'll be right back. I just hecka straighten my hair right now, and I don't look like myself, but low-key I'm vibing it. Like, who's this baddie? Guys, I'm gonna call my friends really quick and see their reaction. Oh my gosh. Well, that went kind of crazy. Let me go with the second target.
Oh my gosh. Is this ABG makeup?
No, this is
makeup?
Latina makeup.
다르다.
진짜?
It is very Latino makeup.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
You kind of look like Maru. Like, low-key is the vibe. Like, your nose contour kind of ate.
I know, right? Thanks, bye.
Bye.
I want to call my boyfriend now, but I don't know if he'll be able to pick up, but let's try. Oh my gosh, is he gonna answer?
Oh? Yo, that's so strong. That's crazy. Whoa. You look kind of scary.
You don't like it, huh?
No, it's just different.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye.
None of their reactions was good because I feel like they're just not used to this face. Okay, that was just a few of the reactions that I was able to get. I wonder what you guys would think. I'm feeling a little bit attitude. Well, this is the end of my video. Hope this was fun. Literally, like, no hate, guys. I'm just literally doing it for fun. I'm doing it for experiment. Like, I've never done anything like this, and I low-key like what I see. So if you have any negative thoughts, keep it to yourself. Thank you, bye. And if you have any questions or video recommendations, put it in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!